Hey, I'm Johnny from Johnny's Vintage Motorcycle Company. And I recently just purchased another inventory stuff, but this is later than anything we really fool with. I think this is like a 81, 82 tank. I'm not sure. It's a KZ1000J. The gas cap works good. The inside's not too bad. A little powderish stuff needs cleaned out, but it's not bad. Not bad at all, actually. Okay, then uh, it comes with the fuel valve, and it comes with the sending unit for the fuel gauge. We've not tested this for leaks, but this tank is solid as a rock. I mean, it's solid everywhere. It's solid. And it's been painted before, not original paint. Wasn't a real good paint job because I see some sand marks right here and stuff here and there. But sold as is. Nice starter tank. Appears to be very solid. All right. Thanks for looking at our stuff.